Elon Musk ADHD Superpower. What makes Elon Musk tick? Is it sheer intellect, an iron will, or something else entirely? Many believe Musk's drive and creativity stem from traits linked to ADHD. Today, we'll dive into how this superpower has shaped his path from a young dreamer to a global disruptor. Elon Musk's energy is unmatched. From revolutionizing electric cars to dreaming of Mars colonies, his mind rarely rests. But could his hyperfocus, frenetic energy, and rapid idea shifts, traits often tied to ADHD, actually be the secret behind his incredible success? ADHD, or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, is often misunderstood. Associated with distractions or hyperactivity, it's wrongly seen only as a limiting condition. But for many, including Musk, ADHD can drive creativity, bold thinking, and unorthodox solutions. It's a lens that shifts challenges into boundless opportunities. Hyperfocus, for example, enables individuals with ADHD to dive deeply into tasks they're passionate about, producing extraordinary results. Musk often spends sleepless nights solving problems at Tesla or SpaceX, classic hyperfocus in action, turning his relentless curiosity into real-world advancements. Elon's ambitious goals often carry hallmarks of ADHD. He thrives on novelty and challenge, constantly juggling several groundbreaking projects. Where others might see chaos, Musk sees opportunities to innovate. His ability to leap between big ideas mirrors ADHD's hallmark of tackling challenges unconventionally. Take SpaceX. When experts doubted reusable rockets, Musk's combination of risk-taking and creative problem-solving drove SpaceX to achieve what seemed impossible. Many with ADHD thrive in environments demanding high-risk, high-reward thinking, and Musk embodies this to a T. A defining feature of ADHD is an unquenchable curiosity, and Musk has it in spades. From teaching himself rocket science to upending how we think about transportation, Elon Musk's insatiable hunger for knowledge fuels his projects. ADHD can make learning a superpower when curiosity drives focus. Passion plays a key role here. Musk doesn't just dabble, he dives in headfirst, driven by a desire to change the world. ADHD helps amplify that passion, allowing him to channel intense focus into complex systems that demand revolutionary thinking, from clean energy solutions to space exploration. Impulsivity is often seen as a drawback, but in Musk's case, it's a force for innovation. His willingness to take risks, like sinking his own fortune into untested ventures, goes beyond logic. It's instinctive. ADHD impulsivity can spark breakthroughs when traditional reasoning might hesitate. For Musk, risks like launching SpaceX or acquiring Twitter, now X, weren't reckless acts, but calculated leaps of faith. His instinctive decision-making, backed by relentless focus, has proven time and again to yield extraordinary results. Would Tesla exist without such bold, impulse-led leaps? Probably not. Restlessness, a trademark ADHD trait, fuels Musk's constant need to do more. Whether it's designing electric trucks or engineering tunnels under busy cities, Musk thrives by channeling his restless energy into tangible, world-changing ideas. He's turned a potential obstacle into an enduring legacy. While many people with ADHD struggle to fit into conventional frameworks, Musk has created his own. His capacity for mental multitasking is extraordinary, yet another way ADHD enables him to spearhead multiple massive projects at once, all while inspiring millions. Elon Musk's journey challenges how we view ADHD. While it's true that ADHD comes with its hurdles, Musk shows how those very traits can ignite ideas that change the world. He's proof that unconventional thinkers, armed with determination, can achieve the extraordinary. More than inspiration, Musk's success invites us to reframe ADHD itself, not as a limitation, but as an alternative approach to creativity and progress. It encourages individuals with ADHD to embrace their unique traits and leverage them into strengths. Elon Musk's story isn't just about rockets or Teslas, it's about harnessing your unique brain power. Whether you have ADHD or not, his success underscores the power of embracing your quirks and adapting challenges into opportunities. Musk uniquely shows that no dream is too big if you think boldly enough. ADHD doesn't define Musk. It empowers him. It helps him push past boundaries most wouldn't dare approach. His story teaches us that leveraging one's individuality, regardless of labels, is often the fuel needed to elevate good ideas into game-changing revolutions. Inspired by Elon Musk's story? Whether or not you identify with ADHD, let this video spark your own boldness. What quirky traits or unique qualities can you turn into a strength? Start dreaming, start creating, and take that leap, because the next big idea might just be yours. Subscribe now, share this video, and join the conversation about embracing uniqueness to change the world. Your future is waiting. Make it extraordinary.